and I have been worried sick. He even looked like a duck.
Now that's here. Folks who live in the glass house should call the cat black.
He's a cat! Children will have their fun. I apologize for any inconvenience it may have caused you, and am ever most grateful you kept us all in one piece. Now come along, Ducky, and thank the nice poultry for looking after you. He's a cat, I tell you! A sly, treacherous, double-crossing, hungry, no good conniving tomcat!
It's no use. Well, I'm busy.
Well, hello.
Gracious. Another duck? Have you got a pond to go to or something?
Yeah.
Shouldn't you be getting back? You said his mother was sick with worry.
Yeah.
Don't get any funny ideas, sweetie. We have an arrangement, remember? Oh no. There will be tears before bedtime.
Madam, had we honored the knot of your hair, if we could get together, may share a dish of milk.
I'd be delighted. Though it's true we are struck. But when one has it easy, one likes the mirror. Quick! You little cat!
Meow.
Meow.